Good morning, geniuses, and a happy Tuesday, May 26, 2020. First and foremost, I'm so glad to be speaking with you. I kind of missed making my videos Wednesday and Thursday of last week. I also hope that you had an amazing weekend. We had some of the best weather that we've had in quite a long time. So hopefully you were able to get outside and be active. And made sure you had enough sunscreen to enjoy yourself there fully. Uh, I our week here is a little bit different because we have finished the end of Module 4. So I want to take a moment to look at our Google Classroom posts, as there's a lot of information that I want to share with you. So let's get started. If we take a look, there is one part that I want you to do today, just one. And actually, you're going to spread it out through the entire week. And it says that you're going to complete the end of the module assessment. It is in a Google form, similar to that mid-module multiply fractions Google form that you had. We're going to answer some questions and then upload your work. It looks something like this when you find that link. Okay, you're going to put your name, number, and the teacher. Okay, it is in different sections. And we'll get into that in a little bit. We broke it up into different parts so I can help you out if needed. All right. So that, again, is really all I want you to work on this week, minus some 2 green lights. We're actually going to take away your iReady because I really want you just to focus on this end of the module assessment. Also, I really want you to get outside. You're supposed to have some really great weather again, so be active. Check out Miss Julie and Miss Crandall's Google Slide, their Google Doc. Right? I think that would be really awesome for each and every one of you. But anyways, back to our assessment. If you do need some help, okay, I listed a few things that you can do. Okay? Use your workbook, your uploaded exit tickets. Use the exit ticket review videos to help you as well. Right. You can check out my YouTube channel, which doesn't have any of the Edpuzzle in there, so it doesn't have the stopping points and the questions embedded. Right. You click on the link below, okay, in Google Classroom, and it'll bring you up to my channel that has all of the work in here, all the different lessons. It has the exit ticket reviews, okay, that you can take a look at your leisure if needed. Okay. And that's the very first one here. The second one here, the third one rather here, the third little bullet, you can check out the Mr. H's YouTube video. And there's no questions embedded in that one as well. It doesn't have you can skip around and fast forward if you need to. Okay? It will look something like this when you click on the link. Okay? So you can scroll down to any of the lessons that meet the question that you need to answer for that the end of the module assessment. And finally, the last thing that you can do to help out is some Google Meets. And since I'm not making a lot of extra videos this week, I'm going to give my time to you if needed. Okay, so I have on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday different times for you to log on to meet with me if you need it. Right? Please come prepared with some of your work. Okay? Already completed. Make a model, your sentence if it's the word problems. Right? But as I said in the Google form, there are different sections. Okay? The very first section is for your name and your number. But section 2 through 7, I know that's a little bit long, 2 through 7 have all of your work. So if you need some help on section 2, right, you can come and join my Google Meet from 1 to 1:30. Need help for section 3? You can come between 1:30 and 2. And if you need help with section 4 on Wednesday, you can come between 2 and 2:30. Also, I have sections 5 and 6 on Thursday at different times, as well as Friday. I had to change things up a little bit because I didn't want to affect band, orchestra, or Mrs. Petiti, Mrs. DeBlaze, any other work that is Google Meets that are being presented. So, are they required? No, but they might be really helpful if you are getting stuck. Use me as a resource if needed. Will I give you the answer? No. But can I guide you? Yes, just as I would if you were sitting in the classroom with me. Again, in order to sign up, so I know that you're going to be attending, so I'm not just sitting there for an hour and a half by myself. Okay? There is, under here is a sign up genius. Okay? There's a link that you can click on the link, and when you click on it, it'll look something like this. If you would like to attend on Wednesday between 1 and 1:30, all you have to do is click to sign up, okay, and put your name in. Or if you can sign up for as many of these as you want, okay, you might not need help for sections 2, 3, and 4. You might just go down to section 7. Who knows? That's up to you. Okay? But it is there available for you. Okay? And then lastly is just your 2 green lights. No, again, no I ready this week. Catch up on any owed work with very few videos that I need to create. I'll be checking the work when I was away at the funeral. And lastly, oh, yes, one more thing. There is a PDF file here. If you click on it, it will bring you to the actual assessment that I had already printed out, ready to give you. Okay? If you want and have available to you a printer, you could print this out to do your work right on it. Okay? And then that way it might be a little easier to take a picture of it because, again, I am going to ask you to show your work. So just as you did in the fraction review, snap a photo, upload it onto your assessment. I will still be available to help you out with any questions with class comments or private comments as well throughout the week. I do have some trainings going on for our new math and even reading science programs this week. So I'm not as available on Tuesday during the day, but I will be towards the afternoon and evening if you need me. Also, use your fellow geniuses in the class comments. They can certainly benefit you. Whew, that was quite long. Hopefully, you will be proactive. Take a look through the test. You can still do it on scratch paper if you need to. Let me know if you have any questions. I wish you luck. I know you can do it. Right? And I'm off.